Welcome to this in-depth review of FreeAgent, an accounting platform tailored for small businesses, freelancers, and contractors. Today, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about FreeAgent, from its core features to its overall user experience. Whether you're looking to manage invoices, track expenses, or streamline your tax returns, FreeAgent claims to make the process hassle-free, and we're here to see if it lives up to the promise. When you first log in, the dashboard gives a clear overview of your financial position. You can see outstanding invoices, upcoming tax deadlines, and bank account balances at a glance. Navigation is intuitive, with clearly labeled tabs for invoices, expenses, banking, and more. Setting up your FreeAgent account is simple, as it guides you step by step through adding your business details and connecting your bank account for real-time updates. The invoicing feature is robust yet easy to use. You can create professional-looking invoices in just a few clicks and customize them with your branding. FreeAgent also offers automated reminders for unpaid invoices, which can save a lot of time and effort. Expense tracking is another highlight, with the ability to upload receipts via the mobile app or manually log expenses. Categories are well organized, making it easy to see where your money is going. If you're worried about taxes, FreeAgent has you covered. It calculates VAT, self-assessment, and corporation tax automatically, offering insights into what you owe and when. For those in the UK, the Making Tax Digital Compliance feature ensures that your submissions to HMRC are accurate and straightforward. One of FreeAgent's standout features is its time tracking tool, perfect for freelancers billing by the hour. You can log your hours directly into projects and generate invoices based on your track time. This integration can be a game changer for those juggling multiple clients and projects. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These links are aimed at helping you discover tools and tips for optimizing your workflow, so check them out after watching. FreeAgent also provides excellent reporting tools, including profit and loss statements, cash flow reports, and age data reports. These insights help you make informed financial decisions and keep your business on track. The software is available on both desktop and mobile platforms, allowing you to manage your finances on the go. Pricing is competitive, with monthly subscription options that scale depending on your business size and needs. FreeAgent frequently offers a free trial, so you can test its features before committing. Customer support is highly rated, with a range of tutorials, FAQs, and direct support options. To sum up, FreeAgent is a versatile and user-friendly accounting platform designed to simplify financial management for small business owners and freelancers. Its features are well-suited for tracking income, managing expenses, and staying on top of taxes, all in one place. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more honest reviews and tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.